What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you unwrap your chapatis from the lunchbox or a sandwich from your tiffin? Yes, you're right. Aluminum foil. Aluminum foil came into existence somewhere around in 1910. J.G. Naher and Sons were the pioneer of developing this new wrapping method. The production of aluminum foil via the process of rolling endless aluminum sheets cast from the molten aluminum was pioneered in the foil rolling plant in Switzerland. This firm had initially experimented creating aluminum foil by placing them between two heavy adjustable rollers and filling the interior of roller with hot boiling water. This hot boiling water actually melted the aluminum while the rollers continuously rolling pressed it and came closer until the foil was created of desired size. This foil was initially used for wrapping tobacco and confectionery products, while years later in 1940 the aluminum foil became popular in United States when the Reynolds Wrap Aluminum Foil Company actually created a unique marketing plan for Thanksgiving Day turkey. This is how aluminum foil became one of the most important part of every one of our life.